Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl Dipped in Chocolate. From the title down below, you don't know it's another cleaning video. But this cleaning video is different from all the rest. This is uncut and raw. So you can see from the background everything. This is a whole different apartment from what I had last year. Yeah, still living in a student accommodation since I'm still a student. When I just came to this apartment, yeah, it did not look like what I wanted or what I expected, because I was overseas, so somebody had to come and verify the place. It wasn't perfect, but it's close to school and it has the necessary stuff for me to live, for me to survive, right? But it has a bathroom that I share with myself, don't share with nobody. My bathroom, my room only. Yeah, and a kitchen. It has it needs a lot of improvement, because personally I would repaint these walls. But I tried, hear the dog them, but I tried to make it a little more girly or put a little twist to it by adding all of these decorations. So you can see my bed right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go in depth. I'm going to be changing my sheet because it's a new month. I change my sheet like every 3 weeks or so, because I live by myself, I sleep by myself. I literally, like, I don't know if you guys do that, but I like spread my bed and have another sheet to cover with. I don't know why I do that, but I have this to cover with at night time, so I do not use my sheet cover. You know, I don't use that. I just use a blanket. New month, November, so it's basically a reset cleaning vlog. I hope you guys like it. You guys can comment down below and let me know what's going on and how you like it or whatever. I want to be changing my change my curtains today. I don't really know, because if I'm going to change it for you, because I have 2 more sets of curtain, but this curtain I'm going to show you. The curtain measurements for this window is really long and my curtains are kind of short. I don't know why they're so short, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. This video might be split in 2. For maybe going to be like part 1 going to be cleaning and part 2 going to be reset and revamping. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get it done. So I'm gonna be starting. What do you think? May I start? May I come so and go so? So may I start from the bathroom, room, kitchen. Let's go. So guys, you can see my bathroom is small. One thing I hate about it is that it's really easy to stain. Cause child, I don't know why it's so easy to stain. You remember the first bathroom that I showed you guys that I was living at? This is really small now. This bathroom is really small. See? Oh, I'm not reach here. See? Really small. But I'm a small girl. I'm like 5'5". And this is the bathroom area. This is my over toilet basin bin when me just throw the things them in a, like, me skincare products, tampons, wipes, flossing thingy, my toothbrush, toothpaste, ointments. This I just put rugs on. I got these from, I think, Temu, where I can put my night clothes on or anything I want to change over in. These are some short. These are cool. These are nice for the bathroom windows. These are how short the curtains are, but they're nice for the bathroom windows. I'm going to change over these. It's the same thing I'm going to put back there, because I do have 2 sets of them. So I'm going to take off these, because these have been on here for maybe 2 months. So I'm going to take them off, wash them, and put on another set of them. I bought this mirror from Bashko downtown, and I bought these from Shein. I had these from I was overseas and I brought them down. I also bought this from Bashko. I bought this from Shein. Yeah, and everything else, So I'm going to wash the bathroom right down. I have this that I bought in, I think it's Dollar Tree. I bought this awesome. LA is totally awesome. And then I'll be using this to clean the floors. This is my pyro, guys. So let me tell you something. To talk out the video too much, but I saw a flipping centipede in my kitchen. So tomorrow when I'm leaving, I'm going to be spraying out the room, the bathroom, and the kitchen to see that, to make sure that it dead or anything else. Because the rain, it has been rainy, so they are looking for somewhere warm, and that is not my house, please. So therefore I'll be spraying out the place tomorrow. So let's start with the bathroom, and then we're gonna venture into the room. Let's go. I got some water in this pan. I'm gonna be throwing some of this. You saw this, I'm not lying. I look I look the part, like I look like I'm about to clean. I have on my bonnet, my nightie, like this looks like a real raw cut video for real. Do you agree? Guys, oh my god, I feel like I'll be mixing too many products together, because what am I doing? So I'll be using the Wow soap powder, not too much, and I'll be putting this, throwing this directly or spraying this directly in the bathroom. I won't be putting it into the water. I do have a spray bottle, but the spray bottle was supposed to be for my ear. I might have to just buy back another spray bottle for my ear, because this place needs to clean down. So it's this spray bottle. I'm going to just take off the cap and put this on. So I'm just gonna spray every part of the bathroom. So I'm gonna spray inside of the bath, the toilet, the face basin. I'm going to let it sit for a while. It smells really strong. Whoa, we need it done. Why? We'll spray it into the face basin too. Oh, like it come back in my eye. Gonna use the bleach now. Just decided to just use everything, so I'm just gonna put some bleach and some of the soda water in this, and me make my own thing, you know. So let's spray it on the walls. I'm gonna make it just marinate a little bit when we finish and just wash it down. So all the stains that are in the floor just have it easy for take out. The bleach is real strong, you know. Woo! Real strong, guys. Oh my god. Putting it on the toilet too. Right. That's nice. I'm doing all this with my hands. This is my bathroom. You know I'll be washing my hands when I'm finished. All the ground, everything. The tile, everything I spray it on. This place smells strong. I need to come out now. When I come, I go out there so go find something to do while it's a marinate. I'll make it marinate for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then I'll come back in here, come scrub it up. Alright, so see my bed right here. So these are the options of the sheets that I will be putting on my bed next after I take off this. I'll be arranging the stuff in here right now while I wait on the bathroom to marinate. So what I have in here, tissue. The tissue I done, so I can put the tissue in a sunny bag, like how it basically done. A flask. This is the herbal body wash. So I'm gonna leave it right there. My face scrub. This is a toothbrush that I no longer use, so I maybe be using it to help me clean the bathroom. So I'm gonna throw it with the cleaning stuff. This toothpaste I done, you know, so I can show that way. This is my medication, wipes, stuff on my skin, and my toothpaste. See, it's easy to fix. This is kind of big enough, so I can put more stuff in it. I can put more stuff in it, but I don't want to overload it with stuff that I do not need. This is how it's gonna look when we're finished. Also, so I'm definitely rearranging my closet today. These are my shoes. I want to order a shoe stand from Shein, but that will maybe be in the next video when I get it, or when I do order, because I haven't ordered it yet. So I'm going to be arranging my closet also in this vlog, and arranging my shoes. But the shoes arrangement won't be complete until I get the stand. So it already has been about 4 minutes. I can smell the bathroom from here, full of bleach. Murder. Up here also, I'll be arranging up here so also, and underneath my bed. Underneath my bed, let me show you. I mostly have suitcases. I have like 4 or 5 suitcases under there. But yes, my fan also want to wash. Murder. This is a lot, guys. I need to clean this place from head to toe. I find the drawer them. I'm gonna fold some clothes and put them in here so too. Wow. So this dresser is a dresser that I got with the place. But say guys, one piece of pasa. Look here. This not pop off. This, remember guys, this is raw and uncut, so I'm letting you guys know what is going on and what everything I'm gonna know. I'm not worry about nothing. So this come off good. This is mine. I bought this Chester's jar. If you've seen my vlogs before, you know that has always been my Chester's jar. I'm gonna be cleaning the bathroom now because I think 5 minutes gone. So let's go. I think I should wear gloves, but I don't have any. I'll be using this rag, this pan with a big brush and a small toothbrush in it to help me clean. So I'll be starting over here. I really wanted you guys to see everything. Let's see if we can catch an operator sound. I'll show you where we're going. Alright, let's go. Might say, when I see material clothes, yeah man, can't wear good clothes. I can't wear good clothes for some of them. For clean the bathroom with bleach.
Is it looking better? Looking good. So after the scrubbing, I'm just gonna use the water and just rinse out everything and mop it out and just put back and wipe it down and then we'll finish in the bathroom. Let's go!
I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good, die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this headline, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not, it's sabotage. It's got
As you can hear, rain fall and the room is in it. I'm tired, like I'm sweating, literally I'm sweating. Like leave the room, I'm gonna take off the things I'm off for the bed. Yeah. Pack up the stuff in this. Take off that, wipe off that. Let's get to it. Cause right now, I feel to give up. I'm tired now. I'm very tired right now. I'm gonna wash another day, maybe in part 2. I feel alright. What I'm gonna do in part 1 now, I'm gonna do the room. And I might reorganize my closet in this vlog. The next vlog will be the kitchen and me coming back into the room and getting some other stuff done, like prep it up a little bit because it's not to my liking, not fully to my liking. So I'm gonna prep it up a little bit to stay on this journey where when I turn this student accommodation into my dream apartment. So when I move something out of one room, this is how the other room look. So let's get it up to par. So I'm gonna clean out and fold up everything in the dryer. If things in this cannot hold, I'm gonna put it in this drawer. So let's go. So I have this that I want to hang up. I wonder if you can hear me. Can you hear me better now? I have this that I want to hang up in the kitchen. So I'm going to be using this to hang it up in the kitchen. So I'll be doing that later on in the vlog. Let me take out, well, I don't need to take out everything, you know, but I need to just fold it up. This is my underwear drawer, plus my underwear and some little documents in it too. I have my books, so I'm gonna change the what you call this? The runner on this to this color. To this, guys, I don't know where the other one for this is. That's why I'm going to be using this instead, because this is the only one I can find. Yeah, it's tacky that I'll be using 2 different colors, but they need to change now. Guys, you know you know this one jar in your house where you just throw everything in it? This right here is that jar. I ain't gonna stay the way there because no matter how I arrange the things then just gonna come back right to that. So I'm just gonna leave that alone. That is just that jar. This is a jar with mostly my good clothes. You know, your good clothes jar. You're going in out clothes. It's my going in out clothes jar that. So what I'm gonna do, it's in there not really untidy, but I'm just gonna tidy it up a little bit more. Come on, more stuff for all night. I don't want nothing drop on the ground right now because the ground is kind of wet right now. My stamina is I'm gonna go and listen to some music. So guys, the last draw. So I made a mess on the top now. So I'm going to take it off. So I have a bag, some rags, a bonnet, and a bag strap. I'm going to clean from this side go straight that way. So I'm going to change the curtains now. I'll show you the curtains that I'm going to change it to. So guys, these are the curtains. This kind it matches the wall because the wall is green, and but this is a darker green. I'm now thinking that I should not change the green on this, because the orange one that I'll be changing it to is this, you understand? And then the green but everything not for much, guys, because this really dirty and it won't change, so now I'm gonna just change it. And when I wash the green one in the middle, so I put it up back so it matches the curtain. Alright, but the one I need to change because it won't wash. Alright, it's not look too bad. We're gonna fall outside, you know. So over here is the time, you know. So I'm gonna take up everything off here, so wipe off it and put it on back. The glass one wipe off too. So guys, I have this as a cushion on my seat. This is all the chest of drawers looking. All lotion, fragrances on this side and lotions and my medicine and everything else on this side. Check out the mirror, clean and nice. Photos, medal ID, looking nice. So gotta spread the bed off camera, but this is how it's looking. So guys, I did the bed off camera. So now I'm going to be mopping the floor. After I finish mopping the floor, you know, the closet though, I organize down here. I kind of organize up at the top. I put my handbags laid out right here. This is cleaned and everything restocked. This is restocked and clean. The curtains are changed. The bathroom is cleaned and restocked. So what I'm gonna do right now, mop the floors, and then I'm gonna give you a room reveal. Let's go. Guys, finish with the room, you know. Remember to stay tuned. Remember to stay tuned to part 2 for the kitchen and for the refurbish of the room. Alright, so I'll be using the pumpkin spice scent to spray in my room. So, the big reveal.
We hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a deal. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got it a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Vince Lord. She gets down just like Vince Lord. Run the block, she's not throwing shots. That dish bag, watch her blow. It's the way.
Guys, the place smell so good. When I talk about smell good, it smells like pumpkin spice. It also smells like the lemonade fabulous. Some of us use a while ago. So it smells like lemonade, pumpkin spice, plus it smells like a foreign because I have some new stuff in here when I never wear it or whatever. So I just put them out now because it smell like foreign pumpkin spice lemon. Very wonderful combination, guys. Stay tuned for part 2 when I do my kitchen, and also come back in the room here and put up some more decorations and stuff. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified when Girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video.